Welcome to our channel. Today, I'm excited to show you how to add live weather widgets on your smart TV in a few simple steps. Imagine being able to check the weather right from your couch without reaching for your phone or computer. Let's get started. First, make sure your smart TV is turned on and connected to the internet. This is essential for accessing the weather widget and getting real-time updates. Once you've confirmed your TV is online, go to the App Store on your device. Look for the Weather Widget application and download it to your smart TV. Next, open the Weather Widget app on your smart TV. The app will prompt you to enter your location or allow access to your TV's location services to provide accurate weather information. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your preferred location and customize the widget according to your preferences. After you've personalized your weather widget settings, you can place it on your smart TV's home screen or designated widget area. Simply drag and drop the widget to the desired location for easy access. Now, whenever you turn on your TV, you can quickly glance at the live weather updates displayed on the widget. It's that easy. Adding live weather widgets to your smart TV is a convenient way to stay informed about the weather forecast without interrupting your viewing experience. Enjoy the benefits of having real-time weather information at your fingertips right from the comfort of your living room. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.